Hey guys, today I'm going to cook a steak in the air fryer. I have a little boneless ribeye steak here. It says these are grass fed, $13.99 per pound, 0.83 pounds. There's two steaks in here. I cooked one yesterday, so they're pretty small. They're less than half a pound each. So it was $11.61 for these. So I'm just going to season it up on both sides with some kosher salt and some Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides pepper, this has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. I use this a lot. Do both sides here. And we'll get this in the air fryer. And I'm going to set this on air fry. 450 degrees Fahrenheit. That's as hot as it goes. And we'll get it going. It preheats for a few minutes. The last one I let it cook for 3.5 minutes after the preheat, but this one I think I'm going to cook a little bit less. It's preheated for 4 minutes and it's been cooking for about 1 minute, so I'm going to check it. Been in there about 5 minutes total. Alright, okay, I'm going to go ahead and flip it over. Okay, and we'll close it back up. Been about 1.5 minutes on that side, so let's see how it looks here. I think I'm going to leave it at that and we'll see how it is. This one should be a little bit more rare than the last one I cooked. Now we'll get this out of there. This steak cooked about 1 minute less than the last one I cooked. It was about 6.5 minutes total, including the preheat. I'm going to cut it right in half and see how it looks. Alright, well, it's a little more rare on this outer edge. It has some pink in it. So, actually that doesn't look bad. Looks better than the last one I cooked. Alright, not too bad. This one looks a little more rare than the last one I cooked, so let's try it out. We'll cut this corner off right here. Looks pretty tender. Here we go. That's a good tasting steak. It's tender and has good flavor. Annie seems excited. She must smell this. You want to try that, Annie? What do you think? Oh yeah. Not bad, huh? Well, I was pretty happy with the way that turned out. So it preheated for 4 minutes, then it started cooking. It cooked for 1 minute. So 5 minutes total, then I flipped it, let it cook another 1.5 minutes. And I like the way it turned out. It was a little more rare than the first one I cooked, but every steak is going to be different depending on how big they are and what cut they are, if they have bone in, bone out, whatever, and also how well done or rare you like your steak. So you're going to have to play around with it a little bit. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.